Creating a gig on Fiverr is a crucial step in offering your services to potential clients. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a gig. 1. Log in or sign up. If you haven't already, log in to your Fiverr account. If you're new to Fiverr, sign up for an account. 2. Access the seller dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the Seller section on Fiverr. This is where you can create and manage your gigs. 3. Click Create a Gig, within the Seller dashboard. You'll see the option to Create a Gig. Click on this button to start the gig creation process. 4. Choose a gig category. Fiverr has a wide range of categories to choose from. Select the category that best fits the type of service you want to offer. You can further narrow it down by choosing a subcategory. 5. Title your gig. Create a clear and descriptive title for your gig. This should briefly convey what service you are offering. 6. Add tags. Use relevant keywords to describe your gig. These tags will help potential clients find your gig when they search on Fiverr. Question of the day: define the scope of your service. What will you provide to clients? Set the price for your basic package. You can offer different packages with varying prices and services. 8. Add gig extras. If you want to provide additional services at an extra cost, you can set up gig extras. This allows clients to customize their orders. 9. Description. Write a detailed and clear description of your gig. Explain what clients can expect, what's included in your service, and why they should choose you. Be specific and persuasive. 10. Requirements. Specify any requirements you need from the client to get started. This could include necessary information, files, or materials. 11. Gallery. Upload images or videos that represent your work or showcase your skills. High-quality visuals can make your gig more appealing. 12. PDF portfolio. Optional. You can upload a PDF portfolio to show samples of your work to potential clients. 13. Publish gig. Review your gig details to ensure they are accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish Gig button to make your gig live on Fiverr. 14. Promote your gig. After your gig is published, consider promoting it through social media, your website, or other marketing channels to increase its visibility. 15. Manage your gig. As clients place orders and contact you, actively manage your gig and respond to inquiries promptly. 16. Maintain high-quality work. Deliver high-quality work to clients on time. Positive reviews and ratings can help your gig gain more visibility on Fiverr. Remember that creating a gig is just the beginning. To be successful on Fiverr, you'll need to actively manage your gigs, provide excellent customer service, and continually improve your services based on feedback and market trends. Building a positive reputation through client reviews is essential for attracting more clients on the platform.